Welcome to the future of compact travel. Imagine hitting the open road with everything you need packed into a sleek, eco-friendly tricycle. Introducing the 2025 Trio Camper Tricycle, the ultimate all-in-one micro-camper for adventurers who crave freedom without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're a solo traveler, a weekend explorer, or someone looking to live sustainably on the go, this might be the perfect ride for you. Today, we're diving deep into this revolutionary new design, exploring its features, performance, and why it's changing the way we think about travel. Stick around, because this could be the most innovative vehicle you've ever seen. At first glance, the Trio Camper Tricycle looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It combines the agility of a tricycle with the functionality of a tiny home on wheels. With a lightweight aluminum frame and aerodynamic shell, this trike is built for efficiency and durability. The body is crafted from high-strength, weather-resistant composite materials, ensuring it can handle everything from scorching sun to heavy rain. Plus, it's equipped with solar panels on the roof, making it an excellent choice for off-grid adventures. One of the most impressive aspects? The foldable and expandable living space. When parked, the rear section extends, offering a comfortable sleeping area for one or even two people, depending on the configuration. Inside, there's a compact workspace, built-in storage, and even a mini kitchen setup, everything you need in a tiny yet functional space. Now, let's talk about what makes this tricycle run. The Trio Camper Tricycle comes with a hybrid power system. It has an electric assist motor that makes pedaling easier, perfect for tackling hills or long distances. The motor is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack, which can be charged via the built-in solar panels or a standard plug-in charger. With a top speed of around 28 mph, 45 km per hour, and a range of up to 80 miles, 130 km per charge, this trike is built for extended travel. And because it's classified as a bicycle in many regions, you can take it on bike paths, through parks, and even avoid traffic jams in urban areas. Need an extra boost? There's also a regenerative braking system, which helps recharge the battery while slowing down, perfect for conserving energy on long rides. You might be wondering, how comfortable is it? Well, the Trio Camper Tricycle is designed with ergonomics in mind. The seat is fully adjustable, with lumbar support for long-distance rides. There's also an integrated ventilation system to keep things cool inside, and insulated panels for warmth during colder months. For sleeping arrangements, the extendable rear compartment transforms into a soft, padded sleeping area, complete with LED lighting, a USB charging station, and even a small foldable table. You can use this space to relax, eat, or get some work done on the road. And yes, it even has a compact bathroom solution. Some models come with a built-in cassette toilet and a collapsible sink, making it a true all-in-one micro-camper. Despite its compact size, storage is surprisingly efficient. The underseat compartments, rooftop cargo rack, and side pockets allow you to carry essentials like camping gear, clothing, and food supplies. There's even a dedicated space for a portable stove and a small fridge, making it easy to prepare meals anywhere. Customization is a big part of the appeal. You can choose from different battery sizes, additional solar panel upgrades, or even a fully enclosed cabin version for extreme weather conditions. Some travelers even add a tiny trailer attachment for extra storage or a pet-friendly space. If you live in a city and want a sustainable, traffic-free way to travel, this is an excellent alternative to a car or motorcycle. Weekend adventurers *** love weekend camping trips? This trike lets you explore nature without needing a big RV or expensive hotels. Full-time nomads ***, for those who want to embrace the van life but in a more compact, eco-friendly way, this is a game-changer. Eco-conscious travelers ***, with solar charging, zero fuel costs, and a low carbon footprint, this is one of the greenest ways to travel. Now, let's talk numbers. The base model of the 2025 Trio Camper Tricycle starts at around $6,500, with premium models and customizations pushing the price up to $10,000 or more. While that might seem pricey for a trike, remember, this isn't just a bike, it's a self-sustaining camper. Pre-orders have already started, and demand is high. Some early adopters have even taken their trikes on cross-country trips, proving that this little vehicle can handle serious adventures. The 2025 Trio Camper Tricycle is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a new way to travel, a sustainable commuting option, or a fun and innovative camper, this Trike offers something truly unique. So, what do you think? Would you take a road trip in one of these? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in futuristic travel tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.